Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our web development project. So in our previous lesson, this was what we were able to do. Okay, so now what we would want to do is to actually do that of the card. Okay, you can see it's not responsive. That will be taught in another lesson, but this is what we want to do. Let me enlarge it. Okay, so we want to do this. So what I'll do here is to create a container called card. So dev.card. Okay, so that container is going to house all those um, these three cards. Okay, so I'm going to type Dave dot let's use card body. So Dave dot card body. So inside, one interesting thing about this is when we do this, okay, all we have to when we are going to work on only one of them, and the rest is to actually copy that code twice, and then we are done. Okay, so meaning we have to make this one well, like we have to kill it, like do it perfect. So the card body is going to be the body. So this whole thing. Okay. So div.card body, and then inside the card body is going to have an image. Okay. So we'll give it an image. Image. Let's use img. We're going to give it a class. A class. I'll call the class card image. Card underscore image. And then from there would our source. So SRC should be images / logo .png. Let's end it here. Okay, so okay, I'm not okay, so I have to go live. Okay, okay. So let me close this. Okay, so it's supposed to be icon.png. Okay, in my folder I have icon and then bg. So inside of the logo, let's do icon. So icon.png. Okay, so you can see we have the image here now. So outside this, we are going to create our about. Okay, so our about is going to be these. So I'll create a or div called about card about. So inside our card about, let me format this format document. Okay, so inside our card about, we can actually do some h1 tag. So h1, so the h1 is going to be for this, so the title for our product. So h1, I'll use a pound sign since I want it to be an id, and then I'll give it a name called card product, card underscore product. Okay, and then inside it I'll type products a. Okay, so let's see, so we have it here. Okay, so in our css we'll try styling this. Okay, but let's finish with the document structure, the html aspects, and then work on the css. Now let's create an h5 tag. So h5, we'll give it an id. So an id, so the pound sign, and then I'm going to call it card sub. Okay, so let's say sub text or some card sub. Okay, so inside it we'll type lorem, then let's give lorem, let's say 40. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have some 40 text here. Let me break it down. So okay, so there's it. Then let me format the document. So format document is HTML5. Okay, so yeah, where's our card? So this is our card. Everything is inside our card. Okay, so what we are left is just to style it. So to style it, I'll go to my, or better still, let's do that in the next lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Thank you.